You just got the sucking good, didn't you? Took it right out of your mouth.
Such a good girl, Vanna.
Eat them things.
You see, Mommy, Daddy, I can eat. I can eat. I can eat with a spoon, Mommy, Daddy. See, I'm helping my Aunt Rory. She's not doing it fast enough.
Your finger don't taste as good as a peas, do they?
See, she even opened her mouth for it.
She's like, give me some damn peas.
Let's get a sip of milk. Such a good girl. See, I'm big enough to eat out of a spoon.
Cutie pie.
I'm a big
her
girl.
little mouth keeps going when you pull it out.
She is liking her some green peas.
I gotta wipe my mouth. So you gotta wipe your mouth, don't you?
Good stuff, girl. Yeah. Look at Uncle Jane, Savannah. Look at Uncle Jane, Savannah.
Is that good stuff, Savannah? She's looking right at that camera. You're not camera shy, are you, pretty girl?